Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. And are you wondering how I have this beautiful glow on my face? Believe me guys, I have nothing on, just a little bit of tinted mascara. So yes, recently I am using this vitamin C range from Zayn and Myza, and my skin is glowing, it's beautiful and it's plumpy, so I thought why not share it with you guys. So I'll tell you what vitamin C does. When we apply this tropically, it helps in enhancing the production of collagen and elastin. These are the two proteins which are found in the skin, which has healing properties, helps in fading away the fine lines and wrinkles from your skin. Also, it helps in inhibiting the production of melanin, which is a component causes skin darkening and hyperpigmentation. So guys, the first product which I'm going to be using today is this Zayn and Myza Vitamin C Forming Face Wash, which helps in removing the deeply embedded impurities from your skin. The dirt, pollutants, grime is going to be taken away without disturbing the natural oil barrier of your skin. Also, it helps in brightening up your skin, making it supple, helps in minimizing the pores. And when you end up washing your face with this face wash, believe me guys, it is gonna make your skin super supple, soft and glowing. Now guys, I will be using this Zayn and Myza Kaolin face mask. It has kaolin and niacinamide, which helps in removing any kind of germs and impurities from your skin. Niacinamide is a kind of protein which helps in making your skin healthy and firm. It is enriched with vitamin C, which helps in making your skin glowing, hydrated and plumpy. And guys, this mask has natural cleansing and hydrating abilities, which helps in cleaning up your skin, helps in removing any kind of impurities you have on your skin. It is very easy to use guys. All you need to do is just wash your face, pat it dry and apply generous amount all of your face. Just try avoiding your eyes guys. After that, leave it for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off using lukewarm water and your skin is gonna be beautiful and bright immediately. And guys, I use this face pack twice a week, and after that, this is gonna be my usual routine. I move on to the Zayn and Myza Bright Me Up Vitamin C Face Serum. Now, this is a non-sticky formula which is very lightweight and gets absorbed in your skin super quickly. It is infused with vitamin C, vitamin A, and it also has Kakadu plum, which helps in moisturizing your skin and makes it glowing. The best part about this serum is guys, it helps in reversing the damage which is caused by harmful UVA and UVB rays. And if you're someone who is entering in your late 20s and if you're worried about those fine lines and wrinkles, this is gonna be the right product for you guys because it helps in dealing the signs of aging as well. It makes your skin all beautiful and hydrated immediately after the application. It is gonna be very easy to apply guys. Just take 2 to 3 drops and pat it on your face and you are gonna be good to go. Next up guys, I have these two creams. One is for the day and the other one is for the night. I use serum in the morning and in the evening as well, and then after the serum I use this day cream, and in the night I use the night cream. Now again, this is gonna be Zayn and Myza Vitamin C Day Face Cream. It has SPF 15, so it is also gonna protect your skin from those harmful UVA and UVB rays. It is enriched with vitamin C, it has shea butter and vitamin E, which helps in making your skin glow. It helps in hydrating your skin. It is a non-sticky formula guys, which gets absorbed in your skin really quickly and helps in adding an instant glow to your skin. It also helps in dealing the signs of aging by fading away the fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps in enhancing the production of collagen and elastin in your skin, which makes it all beautiful, plumpy and glowing. Last but not the least guys, in the night when I'm going to the bed after applying the serum, I layer this cream on my skin, which is Zayn and Myza Vitamin C Night Cream. Now it is enriched with vitamin C, it has shea butter and murumuru butter, which helps in intense skin hydration and also helps in keeping the fine lines and wrinkles at bay. So these were all the products I really wanted to talk about. I'll make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. Just go and check it out, guys. We are done here. Let's wrap up. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.